Good morning, it's Dr. James. Hey, I hope this message finds you happy, thriving, and well. And this morning, I woke up and I thought to myself, I've got a radical idea. In fact, this is such a radical idea that's not going to take more than a few moments to share with you because I want you to consider it. And more importantly, I'd love for you to commit to this and go out in the world and courageously express it. What if you and I today spent so much time, so much energy, so much passion, so much of what was inside of us that literally all it was about was becoming the best version of ourselves. We literally poured every single moment to being present, to being courageous, to being loving, to being awake, to leading so far into our life that we fell in love with it. And we were so exhausted at the end of this day that during this entire experience of expressing this best, most amazing version of ourselves, we had no time, no energy to compare ourselves, to criticize, or to judge anyone else. We are so fully consumed with becoming the best version of ourselves. Sometimes it's all we need to do. And in fact, I believe it's all we really need to do. This world is aching for you and I to become and present and demonstrate a version of ourselves that is literally out of this world, so it can change this world. So with that, I'm going to exhaust myself doing just that. And I encourage you to exhaust yourself doing it for yourself. And together, we will create a life and a world that we love. Much love, many blessings. Have an awesome day. Bye for now.